go see this shipwreck. It's a GPS coordinate that I have on my phone. We're circling around it now.
Han diver Sean Simon Richard, Eileanan earned along Lishian a bevarafchach on an echtri Eileanan Magdalen Islands.
The Wormout. It's a British ship. It sank in 1882.
Sean Weirmouth, an look the cheann chiad is 3 ton of phosphate, a Quebec in Gleagusassin, a Grosse Île Savignor. Ga klikken in Eileanan, en we schapaten kussen jagen riapiglis in Stadam, van skipper en misk in een dèidh.
5 survivors, 15 died. So it's one of the deadliest shipwreck on the Magdalen Islands.
Sata we our first catch and wrote in Weirmouth. Actually open linntean gehauen, en we klarig long vlishian in the ground mhair.
1 year the ship can be completely under the sand. The next year it can be 15 feet out. That's why we need to look every year, because there's a lot of change. Next year it might be too late.
Shia meter van nuacher, ha kraven sehiche wat tapi. Ga jacha hanje a dèanamh go blianich in Australia a vi Eileanan.
For a long time was known as the boiler, because the only thing that could be seen outside of the sand were the boilers. But now a lot more is uncovered. It's only been that way for 5 years now.
Ha gloset na ganamich is shall an uur oskelig.
Most of the ship was uncovered. I saw a couple of things that I have never seen before. Part of the stern is the most visible that I have ever seen. At the bow, the opposite. The sand moved in and you could only see a couple of feet of the bow sticking out. We could barely see one of the anchor. Both of the anchors are still attached to the ship because the crew didn't have time to drop the anchor. They just ran into a sandbars during a storm. And I even found my first clam of the day, not the last. That's why we want to keep track of it every year to see if something new is uncovered. You can't talk about the history of the islands without talking about the shipwrecks.
Rilein tegen solish agus struúdach GPS, had a long vishian a tacher trík. A had dhèanamh cunnart own, ganain ye vis a costling a meòshlaint mút.
Fishing here is the economy. That's what people know, that's what people do. They're not gonna stop because it's a dangerous job. It is their job.